Hello guys, my name is Silvia Cifuentes, and in this presentation I will be talking about the four principles of the Gestalt theory. And those four principles are proximity, similarity, continuity, and closure. So my first one is proximity. This is the ability to group content, aids in creating organization in order and layouts. This means that the organization in a design is, of course, very important because it keeps the eyes of others focused and understanding what they are seeing. It keeps the eyes together without getting lost in cluttered information and design. So these right here are three examples that I chose. Southwest, Microsoft, and T-Mobile. They have, organization, and that you can understand the logo, and it has nothing cluttered. Okay, my second one is similarity. This creates order and organization through unity. Similarity in a design is creating similar objects either with the same shapes or color, which create unity and order. So this one right here is one of my examples, only that I chose. Right here you can see pretty much cubes, and it's they unite. It's unity, and they're similar. My third one is continuity, direction, and movement. The eyes will follow the direction of a line to where it ends. So these right here are three examples, like CNN. It's a line that continues. Right here is one of the pictures that I took. The A, it follows the line. You follow the line. And this one right here, Avengers, of course. And closure. This means when an object has open space that can interplay positive and negative space. We mentally fill in the gaps in order to complete a perceived shape. And these are three examples that I picked, like Apple, TSTC, of course, is one of them. And this one right here is another image, another picture that I took. And this one is a turtle. Like, you can see it's a turtle by filling up the gaps. And overall, in this presentation, reading the book and, finding examples about what these four principles stand for in design helped me learn, especially like I was going throughout the whole house and searching for logos and, stuff that I learned to reading the book and stuff like what a logo has, what type of designs does they create, closure, similarity, and proximity. So it did help me a lot and with this research. Thank you.